Welcome to Mrs. Pung's math class. We have already studied many types of equations. We've looked at one-step equations, we've looked at two-step equations, we've looked at equations with parentheses, we've looked at equations with variables on both sides. Now we're going to move on to a new kind of equation. This combines all the steps that we've done before. It's called multi-step equations because these equations have more than 2 or 3 steps. However, you're not learning anything new, you're just putting together the facts that you already know. When you want to get some help, you can go to mathisfun.com or Khan Academy or YouTube, and this is what you should search for: multi-step equations. I have 2 videos for you to watch right now. One goes step by step how to solve these larger equations, and the other video is shorter and it gives you a handy memory device so you can remember which steps to do when. I think you'll enjoy this last part of our unit on equations. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.